Hey everybody, welcome to Vegas Tips and Tricks. We are taking a look at the Palms Hotel and the renovations out there on West Flamingo. You see right across from the Gold Coast and about a mile off the strip. You see the city center there in the background. They're making a lot of changes there. When I was there about 6 weeks ago, there's a lot of construction going on by the valet entrance. I don't know what they're doing, just replacing this and that. Always a pain to kind of walk up to the Palms, and a little even more so while the construction was going on. There is a brand new sign, which wasn't very exciting. I assume that's probably LED and will display some of the exciting new things at the Palms. Inside from the Palms Place side, you see the food court, which has not changed, as far as I can tell, at all. Here the Brendan Theaters has been remodeled, so probably a more exciting movie experience. There's the sports book and the tonic bar where I hit my very first royal flush years ago, so always a warm place in my heart. As you walk clockwise around the facility, you see a very impressive high limit area, which of course I will not be frequenting. Right next to the main entrance is a new cocktail lounge called the Camden Lounge, which opened just after I was there. Here you see the registration desk, very minimalist. Wish you were here. Guy looks lonely, so go check in, please. Around towards the back of the facility, you have the Apex Social Club, which is where the Ghost Bar used to be. And in the background, you can see Scotch 80 Prime, a new steakhouse. Again, these open mid-May, right after I was there. The Lucky Penny has been open since last July. It's their sort of new wave coffee shop. Heard mixed reviews. Also, you have the AYCE. That stands for All You Can Eat Buffet. And I've actually heard good things about this. It's been open since February. And of course, everybody needs noodles. And Send Noodles is, as you continue around back towards the food court, that's been open since December. But there's still a lot to come at the Palms, a lot of new construction. As you can see, they're building something here, so. Hey, J.R. Swift here. Just wanted to wrap up my Palms renovation video montage of sorts. There's a lot going on at the Palms that I did not talk about, I did not see. One of the most obvious ones was the Unknown Bar is what they're calling it. It's the new center bar, and you probably have seen pictures if you paid attention. It has the controversial shark art display behind the bar proper. So that is also open. The Pearl Theater is open again. It has been renovated. It is now the home of the Blink-182 residency, which again started right after I was there. So they're also revamping the rooms in the Fantasy Tower, which you might remember was sort of the second tower. It's the ones with all the cool suites in it, including the, I believe, the suite they used on The Real World. I could be wrong. Please tell me if I'm wrong in the comment thing. And there's a number of celebrity restaurants that are coming. I know Michael Simon, Bobby Flay have one, a couple more people along that line. And the Dow Group, I don't know how you pronounce it, is opening up a sort of day club, nightclub, pool party kind of place as well. Probably coming sometime in the next year or so. So a lot going on at the Palms. I also wanted to come on and tell you that check out the show notes, because while I was doing some of the research for this, I stumbled on a link which I'm going to share with you that is a press release from Station Casinos or Red Rock Resorts, whatever they're calling themselves nowadays. And at the bottom of that press release, there is a link to literally, I think, hundreds of photographs of what's been going on as far as the renovations. So in addition to what I showed you, you can check out a whole bunch of pictures on their website. So thanks for watching. Thanks for all of you who have subscribed to the channel. If you have not done so, please do so. Please also like this video, share it with your friends. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.